Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to fix your GCash app if your account is on hold by contacting support. First, open the GCash app and tap Profile at the bottom right of the screen. Next, tap Help and then select Submit a Ticket. Fill in your email address, full name, and GCash registered number. Under Category, select the option that best fits your issue. In this case, account on hold. Type a clear description of the problem and attach screenshots if possible to help the support team. Once submitted, wait for a response from a GCash representative. The reply will come via the app or your email and may take a few hours. After following the instructions from support, your account should be restored and accessible again. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with what you want to learn next.